Good afternoon, class. Again, we are continuing with our distillation apparatus setup. In this case, you are seeing another variant of distillation apparatus setup. This is quite similar to simple distillation setup with some updated and enhanced apparatus setup. In this case, we have our round bottom flask, which could act as our distilling flask, and it has three openings. One wherein we can deliver additional material into our condensing medium. We can attach thermometer right here to monitor the temperature right here at the boiling area. Then we attach it with a special tube here we call our fractionating column. Then, of course, we have on this end another thermometer. We have here our thermometer adapter. And here we have an extra glass attachment to connect this part of our distillation setup going up to this fractionating column and eventually into our classic Liebig condenser, which allows for the entry of cool water and the exit of warm water to eventually cool the vapor and eventually collect that into this receiving end with our separatory funnel attached to our receiving flask. So this is classically similar to a simple distillation setup with some additional apparatus attachment to enhance the distillation process. Okay, here we can collect the mixture of water and oil as distilled. Okay? Looking back into this area here, this is what I've said, this is a classic distillation setup, but in some instances, there is a special name given to the setup, and some would refer to this as steam distillation setup, particularly if we are distilling organic compounds or organic volatile oils from plant material, especially originating from leaves. So we can place leaves here and boiling water and allow the boiling water to create steam, and eventually the steam would heat the leaves inside this container and eventually extract the desired organics or volatile oils to pass through this column here of the fractionating column, going into our condenser and eventually collecting into this end through our separatory funnel, which will allow us to separate water from our oil extract. Okay, so that is all for this steam distillation apparatus setup.